Hello, thank you for calling MTN customer care. My name is Isaac. How may I help you? Good morning.
My name is Brother Solo.
Brother Tolu?
Yes.
Okay, Brother Tolu, how may I help you?
You cannot help me, oh. You cannot help me. How can I be subscribing 5,000 naira for 10 gig and I will use it for just 2 days? I don't know, maybe you people connected my my network to my ancestors. So maybe all of us are using the data together. At times I will subscribe almost 20,000 naira to 25,000 naira within 2 weeks.
Right, correctly, your data doesn't last on the line.
At all. That's why I just called to tell you that I'm leaving MTN and you people should not beg me because it's too late to cry when the head is soft. I have made up my mind. I'm leaving MTN.
Thank you for choosing MTN, Brother Tolu. Have a nice day.
You don't need to thank me. I just called to tell you my mind. Thank you too for thanking me. Bye bye.
Bye.